Hi guys, welcome to Cara Motorhomes. I'm just going to go through a short video there on an Adria Cara 650 SP. This is a 2010 vehicle. We would have sold this vehicle a number of years ago, so we kind of know the history since then. This is a left-hand drive like that. It has 63,995 kilometers. There's 4 safety belts and it's based on a Fiat Ducato. The accessories or the extras located on the outside, the likes of an awning and a bike rack. So internally you can see that it has a rear fixed bed located at the back, and your toilet and shower area are located in the opposite corner. The advantage of this bed is that it's low, so you don't need the likes of steps or a ladder, and also you have quite a lot of storage space underneath that can be accessible from inside as well as outside. Looking at the front of the vehicle, so again your driver and passenger seats swivel around to the table. As I've mentioned in previous videos, these are the captain seats, and the reality is they're the most comfortable seats within the vehicle, so it's nice that they swivel around to the table area. Here the table also folds down into another bed, so it's quite a large bed because it'll join up with the seat here on the right hand side as well. In regards to the kitchen, so you can see that your sink is located on the right. You have a 3-ring hob. You have an oven in this vehicle, which is kind of unusual on left-hand drives. Generally left-hand drives don't have oven and grills in them, so yeah, it's nice to get that extra. Also on the left hand side is your fridge freezer, so it's quite a large fridge freezer. It's just giving you a visual of the rear of the vehicle. So located in the bathroom area, you can see that it has a separate shower. So again, you're not stepping in on top of the shower tray. And you have a swivel top on the toilet area, so that, or the toilet I should say, toilet seat, so that will move in different directions. This just shows you a picture of the bike rack located at the back. So just to recap guys, this is a left-hand drive Fiat Ducato motorhome. It's based on a 2.3. It's an ideal 4-berth. You have the fixed bed and the dinette folds down into another bed. If you have any questions or queries, or you want additional information on this, please don't hesitate to contact us either by email or by phone, and we'll gladly go through the vehicle in more detail. Thanks for watching. Take care.